Well, welcome back to Real Builds. So let's see where we've gotten to. I'm not going to do a step-by-step, blow-by-blow on the bodywork. There are way better places to learn from. I'm going to put one in the links, which is Lakeside Autobody 2020. Great practical site. I've learned a lot off it. The guy's a professional, knows a bunch more than me, but he's really practical in how he explains things. So that'll be my recommendation. But let's look where we are. So on this side, we've gotten rid of any of the little bits of surface rust. We've made a patch panel for in here that'll get welded up when we start welding a little later. And on this side, where the structural rust was a serious problem, we've made a new panel. We've got it in there, screwed into place. Now it'll be welded all the way around. I've got it clean enough back here, which I didn't know if I was going to be able to do, and I was worried about some other stuff, but I think we'll be okay to weld around there. Now we're going to be using my flux core welder, and I'm no screaming hell at it, but we're going to make nice solid welds, so it may be ugly, but it'll be strong. This is the patch panel that'll go over top. Now again, this material is much thicker than what was here. So between this panel being welded and possibly bonded as well, and this new piece here going over the top, we should be returning this to really good structural integrity. So let's look at how that one's going to fit. Okay, so it'll fit like that, and again be welded all the way around. And that'll bring the strength back there. Now this was the worst side, no two ways around it. On the other side, we're in not bad shape. It didn't have the damage to the inner structure, so there was less compromising in strength. We've cleaned it all up, covered it up, and now it's just a matter of welding this panel all the way around, and it's temporarily screwed into place, as you can see. We're going to weld all the way around it, and it's going to bring it back to its original strength. Now, again, this isn't going to be pretty, but it'll be strong. The two places we're not going to deal with, we're just going to wire brush this, hammer it with rust converter and preservative, and give it a coat of paint to make it presentable, because this is budget, and I need the car. The same on this side. We'll come back to those pieces and possibly making everything else prettier a little later in the year, in the summer, when I'm not quite so desperate for a car. This one's a pretty good little car, I think. We'll be firing it up once we get the body structure in place, and we'll see what we got for sure. But I think we got a pretty good little piece going on here. So that's where we're at, and we'll be back once we have everything welded in place and start doing a little bit of body work. Till then, have a great day from Real Builds.